Hey, what is up guys? Welcome back to Crypto Insider again. Now today we're actually covering an early project that hasn't been released yet. So we're going to be taking an early look because it's a great project with huge potential. Of course, they do have a Twitter that's up and running that we will be taking a look at, as well as an insider look into their Discord that has not been released. So do tune in till the very end if you want to find out all the details. Now before we get started into the project, I would like to let you guys know that we are running a $150 Solana giveaway. And if you're interested in participating, all you have to do to enter is just like the video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and comment down below your favorite cryptocurrency. Also, don't forget to press that bell icon so that you don't miss out any of our videos. Now let's just get started with this amazing NFT project. Now all you guys might be wondering what this project actually is. And in fact, we are taking a look at a project called DEGENZ Game. Now this is not your go-to project because it is a play-to-earn NFT project. And it's actually situated on the Solana blockchain, and as I have mentioned in all my previous videos, Solana blockchain is probably the best one out of the lot because at this current moment in time, the gas fees are just much lower in comparison to Ethereum blockchain. So any transactions you always get back with a huge profit. Now apart from that, they do not have a running website as of yet, so they have been kind enough to send me their campaign slideshow, which we will be analyzing and taking a look at for ourselves and just see how good of a project this really is. So we can just start off by seeing their concept, and as they say, it is a play to earn game. Now this play to earn game allows you to earn $GBT, which in the current market is actually going for $27.59. Now that's quite a lot you could be earning if you play this game properly. They advertise this to be on their Discord, which makes it super cool. Now the storyline that they have going on here is actually based in a totalitarian utopia ruled by Big Brother, an underground resistance which has formed the DEGENZ. Now the DEGENZ is actually a group of hackers and idealists who believe in freedom. By playing this play to earn game, you could actually earn a token called Good Boy Token, also $GBT, to equip on your DEGENZ and fight back against the Thought Police and Big Brother. Now that's a pretty interesting storyline if you guys ask me, as it's pretty different from the play to earn games that I have encountered so far. Then scrolling forward, we actually see the DEGENZ themselves, and I have to say at first glance this art style is pretty sick. I'm really impressed at the art style that I'm seeing here, as well as the combination of colors and design overall. Now what strikes me the most about this art style is actually the 32-bit design that they have opted out for. Considering that they only have so many pixels to work with, they did manage to make it pretty detailed and pretty top-notch in terms of quality overall. Now that's not something that you get to see on most play-to-earn NFT projects. And they do have a total of 10,000, so there's going to be quite a lot, and they're all selling at $1 Solana each, which is pretty cheap for the time being. Of course, if you can get your hands on them through the whitelist, you know that you will be getting them for a much cheaper price. So do watch out for their Twitter, as we will be covering it shortly. Now carrying on with the storyline, we actually have the enemy, which says that 10% of the collection will be the Thought Police. Big Brother and the Thought Police try to take down the revolution every chance they get. And of course the world, which is a futuristic dystopian cyberpunk world ruled by the ruthless tyrant. And I do have to say, so far it does look pretty promising for an early look. So just imagine how much time and effort they have spent on this incredible project, and how much more is to come, as we are only taking a look at an early release. Now apart from everything that we've covered so far, they do have mini games, and they actually range from the most notorious type of games that come in arcade styles, such as the hacker game, the prison game, and other type of gambling games like coin flip, slots and roulette. Now this might mean that there might be only an 18+ access to these games, so make sure you watch out for that, but fun nevertheless. Of course we do have some slides here about some brief overview of the type of mini games that they have, and I'm not going to get into details about that since it will be properly announced and released to the public later on, just not to spoil the fun of course. And what's also incredible is that they have an in-game economy running in this utopia setting, meaning characters have the ability to be upgraded with accessories or powers and so much more. Now moving on, we can actually take a first look at the team, and here we have 7 members in total, starting from Jordan, which is part of the community, Joe, who's in charge of actually developing the game, Jake, who's another developer for the project, Rob, who's in charge for the marketing, then Emil as another developer, Christian as an artist, and Don as the PR. So that is pretty good to have a team composed of more than 2 members, which just goes to show that they're more inclusive, and having the more members just means that the project will be built better overall. And as we take a look at the next slides, we can see that the team members are all fully doxed and have a lot of experience in the NFT marketplace. Now this just shows that they're serious about the project and do want to make a very fun play to earn game, since they are experienced in the research sector and the marketing sector as well. Then we do have a roadmap here, which actually goes to show that the minting date for their play to earn NFT project will be launching on the 28th of February. So that's not too far away, and do make sure to check out the NFTs before they get all sold out. And then carrying on, we also have a very exciting part of the project, which is the metaverse land. And as seen here, they do say that they have 500 private rooms inside the Discord for people, which will be our metaverse land play. And of course, since it is a play to earn game, having the ability to be in the metaverse also means that there's a need for a marketplace. And yeah, that's just the brief overview of the project and all the details that we have seen so far. Now let's just take a quick look at the Twitter. And as you guys can see here, we have 1,767 followers, which is pretty promising considering it's only a pre-release of this play to earn NFT project. Apart from that, we can see the tweet where they have a GIF of the different variants of NFTs that they have available. If you did not know, these are actually skins that you can equip in game. Now how dope is that? And as stated on the tweet, they're expecting people to retweet their dope part so that they can get 10 people to be entered for their whitelist drop. So make sure you guys do not miss that at all costs. Now as they did say on their Twitter, the Discord will be publicly released at 1,984 followers. But I have taken a look at it myself and it does look quite amazing. I'm really impressed with the game overall, and I'm going to say for a fact this game will be blowing the whole play to earn NFT platform. Yeah guys, that was just a quick overview of this amazing hidden gem of a play to earn NFT project. So do watch out for announcements on their Twitter, as you guys do not want to miss out the opportunity to experience the game firsthand. But yeah guys, if you have enjoyed the video, do make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and comment down below your favorite cryptocurrency. And this is also that you can be entered for the $150 worth of Solana that I will be giving away soon. Now do make sure to click that bell icon so that you don't miss out our update. But yeah, thanks for watching guys. Make sure you tune in for the next one. Peace out.